Ooh! Dang. Today was the day.
All praise to the Most High, 'cause He saved me. All praise to the Most High.
Dang. What's on your car? Ooh! Dang.
Okay.
Nothing on my car, thank God. Jeez.
They really said.
Daily trade commentary for Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. So, today was a pretty chill day. I did not get to be present today for the market open, the New York Stock Exchange release, and this, just the remainder of the trading session because, today we had to go to the ship after muster to work on some things, and I already knew that ahead of time. They my LPO did announce that yesterday, so I already knew prior to today that today was going to be another trading day today. That's fine. You miss, you can't be there every single day, or maybe you can, but overall, it's all good. I'm not complaining. I'm not tripping at all. It is all good. I am grateful that what I did want to happen during the pre-market analysis did happen. My 1 hour draw on liquidity did end up getting taken. We had another bullish close today, and price is just that much more closer to the previous monthly high, previous weekly high. It's the same high. Going to be expecting a retracement when that does happen. Again, if it's going to be a short-term retracement, long-term retracement, I don't know. I'm going to be expecting some type of reaction because, previous monthly high and previous weekly high is a significant pool of liquidity. But neither here or there. My overall higher time frame draw liquidity is, again, the quarter 1 high here, along with the quarter 4 2024 high. 1 second. Turn my AC on because I am in my car doing this. But I don't know. I feel like, even though I did not trade today, I took a trade yesterday, a quick scalp, made $40 on my funded account, just on a journey right now to get that account back to break even and then scale up from there. But even though I didn't trade today, I still do feel very in flow with the market. I'm not going to lie. And it's a good feeling. Honestly, it's a great feeling. I feel like sometimes traders get those feelings where they kind of just feel out of touch with the market. But me, I feel like I'm in a very flow state right now, and I think that's because I've been, I've been journaling as detailed as possible. I've been doing my markups as detailed as possible. I'm not afraid to make all these annotations. These annotations are my thoughts, and it helps me out. So that's why I do my markups and annotations on the actual chart itself, and I don't know, it helps me. So I like it. I'm gonna keep doing it. It's working for me. Go from there. I think tomorrow, when it comes to work, I don't think we have to go on the ship tomorrow, like today. Hopefully not. If not, then I will definitely be going to Huntington Hall with my laptop, or even in my car, and just sitting down and just trading, or again, not really, trading. I'm trying to take a quick scalp again, but not to ramble too much, let me get into these charts. The market just opened up. I'm a tad bit late to doing this. I like to do my daily commentaries, preferably when the market's closed and it's not moving, but it's all good. But as you can see here, this is how today's daily technically Tuesday's daily candlestick, because the market is already on Wednesday. But this is how Tuesday's daily candlestick closed today. I already mentioned, since this swing high failed to take out this swing low, this high is a weak high. So now price is just making its way towards there. Now, we did not take out that weak high, daily swing high today, but we do know that it is a draw on liquidity. It's not a matter of if the high is going to be taken, but when is the high going to be taken. And by the looks of it, I would say either today, or as in today, I mean like today, as in Wednesday's daily candlestick or Thursday's daily candlestick. So I know it's coming soon, that's for sure. We do have NFP on Friday as well, so keep that in mind. And again, the market's imperfect, and the markets like to manipulate. I've seen very much where price will come to a high, come here, and then reverse, just for the sake of inducing sellers and engineering more buy-side liquidity. I have seen that. So if that happens, don't be surprised. However, I still do know that this is a still weak high. So yeah, so far daily time frame is looking absolutely clean, no complaints at all. It's 4-hour time frame. I've been using the 4-hour time frame more lately. I don't honestly, like, when it comes to what I look at on a daily basis as far as time frame goes, it's honestly, or it really has been, just a daily and 1-hour time frame. But 4-hour time frame is also important. What the heck? It's weird. The 4-hour time frame is also important. So I feel like it shouldn't go neglected. So I'm gonna start including the 4-hour time frame in my pre-market markups along with my post-market markups, because again, every time frame tells its own story, and you can kind of just build on top of that. So yeah, that's that. But but this morning I talked about this retracement here, during Asian session last night, and then going into the lidded open kill zone, that this right here, which is simply a reload, just like this. Reload, expansion. Reload, expansion. And then, today's bullish price action confirmed that this was indeed just a reload. And again, we are staircasing towards the that 4-hour swing high there. So again, once this high is going to be taken, then this will be confirmed higher low. So order flow will be confirmed bullish once again. 1-hour time frame. Let's see. All right. All right, 1-hour time frame looking absolutely clean per usual. Again, we took out my drawn liquidity for the day was that previous daily high, and price exceeded my drawn liquidity, so good to see. Based off this momentum here, I wasn't really expecting for price to pull back into a decisional or anything like this over here, just because the wicks. More so, I just want to see price take internal liquidity and then trade higher. And I did mention that in my pre-market analysis on the 1-hour time frame. And I will include that in the description of this video, so you guys can check that out. It's my whole thought process. I didn't record my day-to-day today just because it was a long day at work today. Like a long day. I had to move a lot of stuff, and I got out of work later than usual. So yeah, I didn't get to record my day-to-day that much today. So I apologize for that, but I will do so tomorrow for sure. Because a friend of mine wants to buy this super cool motorcycle, and I will be tagging along for that. So should get some pretty cool content for tomorrow, to include it tomorrow in day 43. But yeah, today it's just gonna be more chart talk pretty much. But I've gotten feedback that these chart talks are helpful to people. So if I can help you guys out, then I'm here for it, honestly. So I want to do anyways. That's a long-term goal with this channel. It's just to give back knowledge and whatnot, and also in the future. But yeah, pretty much it. It's not really nothing that much to go over. I would say that's pretty much what my outlook is right now on NASDAQ. Yeah, that's it. We'll see how tomorrow goes. I'm praying to God that I don't have to go on the ship right after muster tomorrow. I could just, again, go to my car or Huntington Hall, which is like a quiet place. Go there and trade with my laptop. And again, just on the journey to get my funded account back to break even. I should make that a series. But yeah, it will happen. I have faith and confidence in myself, so all should be well. But besides that, I will talk to you all tomorrow, and thank you for watching the video. Today was the day.
2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 cc's.
It's clean.
Dang. Guess
Dang.
how many miles?
How many?
5 miles.
5?
It's brand new.
Dang.
This motherfucker ain't ever been ridden.